I don't sell properties. Bumibili kami ng property pero hindi kami nagbebenta. Tanong kasi ng ating isang subscriber, nagbebenta ba daw ako ng property? No po, hindi po kami nagbebenta. Kapag bumili kami ng property, hinuhold namin siya. It's intentionally for holding for a long term. So, pinaparent namin siya. Hindi ako nagpo-flip. Di ko talaga siya binibenta, hindi ako nagsi-short sell, nagsi-short flipping. The reason why the opportunity of making money in real estate is in the long hold, hindi yan sa short flip. So that's the reason why hindi kami nagbebenta. So if you want to make good money and build a generational wealth for your family, it's definitely buy and hold strategy is the key. So I hope you learn from that. See you next time.